Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your NA Miata e-brake. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so make sure your Miata is securely on jack stands. Then, locate the e-brake cable equalizer, which is typically found underneath the car, near the differential. This is where we'll begin our adjustment process. Now that you've located the equalizer, grab your 10mm wrench. First, loosen the lock nut. This frees up the adjusting nut. Next, turn the adjusting nut counterclockwise. This action will create significant slack in the e-brake cable. It's crucial to ensure there's plenty of slack, as this guarantees the rear brake calipers are completely disengaged before we move on to the next step. With the cable loose, it's time to adjust the rear calipers. You'll need to remove both rear wheels for clear access. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully turn the caliper piston clockwise until it reaches its full stop. This ensures the piston is fully seated. Then, back off the piston by about 1/3 to 1/2 of a turn. This small adjustment provides the necessary clearance for optimal brake function. We're almost done. Now, return to the equalizer and tighten the adjusting nut. Pull the e-brake lever inside the car. You're aiming for 5 to 7 audible clicks for proper engagement. Once set, ensure both rear wheels spin completely freely when the e-brake is disengaged. Finally, perform a quick test on a slight incline to confirm your e-brake holds the car securely. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.